Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add magnifying effect in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now first of all we are going to elements and here you can simply search for whatever you want, right? So I have searched for fruits and we are going into the photos and here you can simply select whatever the image you like the most, right? For example, I just like this image, so I will simply select this one and then I will simply set this image, right? So I have simply adjusted it as per the template. Now I will click on share, then download, and only the current page. Done, and now I have downloaded it. Okay, so till it gets downloaded we have selected this image and now we are going to edit it and click on adjust, click on see all, and here we will click on blur and then whole image we want to blur, right? So we have blurred it this much, right? Now we will click outside. Okay, the image has been blurred. Now we are going to search for magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Okay, there are too many magnifying glasses. Whatever the magnifying glass you like the most, you can simply select that magnifying glass, right? For suppose we have selected this one, or you can select some more good glasses like this one, and now let us rotate it, right, and put it over here, and here in the elements we are going to search for frame. Click on all, select the circular frame, and here we are going to increase its size so that it gets fitted properly into our magnifying glass, right? You can also use the arrow keys to set it perfectly, right? And then simply you need to click on upload and then upload files, and then the previous image which you have downloaded, I have simply uploaded it. Now we are just going to add this particular image into this frame, right? Once it gets uploaded. Okay, it's uploaded. Now we have simply uploaded this image into this frame, and now we will double click on it and then we'll set the edges as per the photo, right? We will change the size of this as per the photo so that it coincides with the background photo, right? Done. And as you can see, our magnifying glass effect is ready. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.